Hi everyone, thought I'd give you an update on my remote controlled Halloween haunt project. Last night I finally had a breakthrough and got it all working, so I thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough. So let's start with my favorite new prop, which is this ghoul who hangs out behind this tombstone. You'll notice that there is a cable that's attached to his footpad switch. That cable sneaks its way up to a homemade relay board, which is then connected to my Arduino Mega. So just a standard kind of 5-volt type of thing. The Mega is running some custom code, and all it's basically doing is it's looking for an ASCII number to come across this USB serial cable, which is, there it is, plugged into, actually it's plugged into a USB hub there, which as you can see has Wi-Fi on it and a couple other things. The hub is then plugged into my Raspberry Pi. So the Pi is running a web server called Light TPD. It's got some PHP scripts, and basically what it does is it serves up a website, which of course is accessible over Wi-Fi and by extension to the internet if I choose to. This is what the user interface looks like. So it's just a simple image. You can just click on any of these, which sends that code to the web server. The web server then invokes a secondary PHP script, which actually calls a little piece of C code. All that C code does is send that ASCII character across the Arduino, which then interprets that, raises the signal on the relay board, which then invokes the prop. Right, so now let's see if this is all going to work. So here's the user interface. As you can see, I have some buttons here. We press that, sends a code. And there you have it. It's all working fine, works all over the house. I've tried it with my phone, with a web browser on the computer. It all works great. The beauty of this is now that I've got this working, my Mega has, I forget the number, something like 60 digital outputs. So all I got to do is start cranking out a bunch of these relay boards and some cables, and I can pretty much automate my entire haunt through remote control.